When the sun goes down, you know where I'll be, with a case of good time and some John Deere green, kicking sparks to the sky. I'm in my zone every night, spraying on that campfire cologne, a campfire cologne. And you know I'm not alone, a campfire cologne.
When the sun goes down and the moon comes up, boys around here be in them trucks. Country girls all loaded up, down a dirt road in a cloud of dust, headed on out to I Spot.
Alright guys, it's Hilltop Dipper here. I forget the date, but we're gonna be bow hunting. He's got the date here.
Friday, October 27th.
It's Friday, October 27th. We're gonna be doing some bow hunting on our property. We're not expecting huge bucks because I haven't really seen them running around. Rut's really just starting to kick off and everything, but we're going to...
We had a little bit of snow too.
Yep, it's been snowing just a touch today, just a little bit, nothing to stick. We got that camera I'm using to record right now. We got my little GoPro thing I'm gonna have mounted on my bow, kind of like on the last video if you saw my intro. But right here in front of me, we have some camo burlap. I'm going to kind of wrap around the bottom portion of the stand. It's a two-person stand, and I want to wrap it around that so we have pretty good coverage so we don't get seen. We're not gonna bring this bag in there because let's open the toolbox and throw it in because it's gonna make too much noise. I'm gonna put everything I need in a bag. I have my Confederate Camo mud jug with me, but actually we're gonna need that one, and I should have actually another one in here. Yep, I got 3. These are 2 real low. I'll just set this in here. But yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna start spraying ourselves down and everything, get everything sprayed off. I have some zip ties. I'm only going to use a couple to secure the burlap to the portion of the stand that we're going to be in. But we got gloves to spray down, my bag, the burlap. I'm not going to spray down my bow. Why would I do that? But yep, here we go. This fucking dumbass sprayed my glasses. I'm sorry. Hey, right here, you see this? Right here. Yep, that's a spray.
Yeah.
I mean a rub.
So obviously they're starting to rub off their velvet.
Oh, their velvet's gone already. Here rub here on this. It's about a 3-inch round tree, 2.5. This is a smaller deer, but that's good sign. When we were walking in, we saw a scrape along the road. So this is very good sign. Even though this looks a little bit older, it's not that fresh. It still means a lot. Hopefully we can see something. Alright guys, so this is the end of our hunting video. Wasn't very good. We didn't see anything besides a squirrel or two. We actually had to leave. We had to get out of the stand because the strap that goes around the stands that holds up the top part of the tree stand, well, that strap broke for some reason while both of us were up in it. So I don't know why it broke. Probably just old, I'm thinking that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, please leave it in the comments. I do have a Kik Messenger if you want to mess with me on there, talk a little bit. It's the same as my YouTube, Hilltop Dipper. That's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.